fastened. If you use any luggage, please stow it properly at this time. Thank you. Also, we'll be collecting any remaining service items in the cabin. If you have any trash you want to throw away, please hand it to us as we pass through the cabin.
No one else has a degree, and he's just much more polished now, even though Yeah, because it's a long street.
That's your water.
Oh, you know you guys.
I've flown in here on flight sim many times. Yeah.
So you've done this approach, and your scenery is fairly accurate or not? Yeah.
Oh, the airport, not.
Yeah, that's true. You can get. He's got a good top.
Guys, don't get yourself. LA's a world class city.
Oh, there it is. I think right
There's
there.
what?
The downtown right there. Coming up there. Oh, there's the window. Right there.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Oh, here's the Hollywood sign. Hollywood sign.
Oh yeah.
Where?
Isn't that it up on the hill there? No? Maybe not. That's not up. I thought it was.
It might be. It's just hard to tell with the lights.
Yeah. Oh well.
We'll see it in the day.
Maybe not. Was the best thing that ever happened like that. Cut the string and then went away.
You see there, right over there, are the hills, and then Burbank. I can just barely see the lights of Burbank on the other side. Oh, that way.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there's even like a little hill right here. I didn't even know that. Oh no, hold on. There's a downtown.
Hmm?
See the downtown out there?
Oh. You were wrong.
Yeah, it was. Oh, I see the Hollywood sign now, but it's not lit up.
Oh, is it?
That's downtown there. I think so.
No, I don't think so. No, you were right. You were right the first time. Those are just
Sure,
apartment,
Dad?
yeah, those are just apartment buildings, yeah.
That's a whole long line of it.
No, those other ones, because we saw all the Southern Company signs on the tops of the buildings.
Wow. What, when we were coming? Oh, there's In-N-Out. You're In-N-Out.
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, yeah. I ate one.
2-4 right arrival.
decided to fly with us today, and we know you're ready to be on your way. But please remain seated, keep your seatbelt fastened, and keep the aisles clear until the seatbelt sign is switched on. Be careful when opening overhead bins. Before leaving, take a look around to be sure you have all of your belongings. We look forward to flying with you again soon.
On behalf of the captain and your entire crew, it's a pleasure to welcome you to Los Angeles, ladies and gentlemen. Local time is
Still send her a text.
approximately
9 o'clock.
10 minutes before 9 p.m.
We're crossing 2-4 left.
Oh, okay.
It certainly has been a pleasure having each and every one of you on board today. If you're planning a future business or vacation trip, we look forward to seeing you real soon on another American flight. We wish you a very pleasant stay here in the LA area, or wherever your final destination may take you to this evening. We will be arriving at gate 47A, as in Alice. It doesn't say what baggage claim, so that's to be determined. And if you're going on to San Jose, that leaves from 44H, American Eagle. We have a American Airlines Admirals Club located across from gate 40. Heather for the LA area. Now, if you do have your cell phone and it's readily available, you're more than welcome to use it. All other devices should be kept off until we park at the gate. The captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. Thanks again for choosing American, and have a pleasant good night.
The hop, that was area still, right?
That was the second one. That was small.
Okay. So, here's the ceiling plate, the hop into libraries. Now they use a hop movies for form film, but it's got their special libraries. Where was it we saw one come in Toronto? No.
You haven't seen them before.
Oh, I thought we did see one.
No.
Sorry. We saw another airline special.
Yeah. US planes painted.
Oh, you bought the Hobbit one. That's what you have bought. Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, he has a collection of all the planes. And he has a scale model part of LAX. Closed in the front porch can get, so he's got a special playroom. It's incredible.
You guys know the biggest airport in the United States.
He would know how to get away again.
I think it's higher. Hey, is Atlanta like one of the biggest airports in the world?
Busiest. Not necessarily
The busiest. It's one of the bigger ones.
It is.
It's gotta be.
O'Hare, I think, is the biggest in terms of runways.
Where's there at?
Chicago.
Oh, Chicago?
Yeah.
What about Atlanta's busier?
Yeah.
I knew it was okay.
Yeah.
And what about area-wise for biggest airport?
I'm not sure.
Now, O'Hare and Atlanta are better airports than LAX. Like they get more restaurants, they have more time to kill, do some more shopping. LAX is not like, they don't
I know, I heard about
but in and out, they don't care about. Now, they're starting to do some renovation in there. I'm starting to see restaurants looking like this for years.
It was just a quick change.
الو مردان جان سلام باشی من کم حواسم نبود مردان دارم یه داری بشینه آره اصلا دلت شور نزنه حالا میگم تا بخواد وای سر داره همین نگه نشد باشه قربونت برم نه باشه این دلت شور نزنه باشه راحت میشه مثلا
In other words, having a long layover in Miami, the American terminal there is better than these. 10 or 10 hours.
Look, you're here in town, you might as well go outside.
Here today.
Just this morning.
It's not a very, here, the size of the city, it's not very hospitable.
Okay.
I heard it's very passenger. It's not friendly. Passenger friendly.
No, it's not. It's a busy airport for like just on transportation, but if you like want to kick it for a while and in between places, no.
That's why a friend back home.
Houston's a good one. Houston's got like it's like a mall.
Yeah.
A friend back home should be here and doesn't have to fly all the way to Singapore to see one of their children. And they just test flight or something like that. That's why it's not friendly for them to come to.
That's a very unique airport as far as flights.
Oh yeah. Look at the number they come here. I mean, you rattled them all off. This was phenomenal. We're going to see in 2 days.
Yeah, I knew it was going to happen. This is 25 right. That 25 left is just on the other side, and that's closed.